Hey guys, I'm Forrest Smith with RoofGooseVent.
I'm Peter Medeiros from Precision Air Testing and Balancing.
On my right, we have our manufactured solution to a roof termination, and on my left, we have an example of a field fabricated termination.
So today we'll be demonstrating the difference in static pressure, CFM, and the flow hood readings based off the termination that is installed, and we'll also be using the short range multimeter and the Evergreen system as well.
In today's video, we'll be testing a GE long throw electric dryer.
And from here, we'll take our baseline static pressure reading with our short range multimeter. Insert our static probe the correct way, take a quick reading.
Now we're going to test what the overall system static pressure is when we add a 90 and a sidewall vent with no screen to the dryer. Now that we've added our traditionally field fabricated roof termination, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our overall system static pressure is now.
And our reading is 0.47.
And now we're going to test a field fabricated solution, a 90 with a wide mouth sidewall vent. And now we're going to check in with Pete to see what our overall system static pressure is now that we've added this field fabricated solution.
Static pressure is 0.43 for this termination.
And next, we're going to test a manufactured solution from one of our competitors. And now we're going to check in with Pete to see what the system static pressure is now that we've added a manufactured solution from one of our competitors.
Now we have 0.459 with the manufactured solution.
Now we're going to test out our manufactured solution, the RG4 dryer. Now that we've put on the RG4 dryer, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our overall system static pressure is now.
We're getting 0.35.
After testing some traditional field fabricated solutions and a manufactured solution on our GE long throw dryer, we found that our RoofGooseVent dryer termination is superior not just in aesthetics and durability, but it also outperforms the competition. I'm going to pass it along to Pete to share some of his knowledge of what he experienced today.
So what I observed with the testing of this particular system is that the typical dryer vent added double the static pressure. The RoofGooseVent added almost zero. After all of our testing today, my conclusion is that the RG4 dryer vent termination is superior to all others.
Thank you for watching our performance testing video today of our GE long throw dryer. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website where we answer many frequently asked questions, roofgoosevent.com. And if there's any questions that our website can't answer for you, feel free to send us an email directly at sales@roofgoosevent.com.